Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's start our Git. After installing Git, you get something like this Git bash here. When you click on it, some CMD like space coming that you can write your comment code in here. At first, we are going to write the command git config /list. What it's do, let me just zoom it a little if I can. Okay. What it do, the thing it do is that it's giving us the properties of our Git that we have. You see, it gave us lots of data, but the thing I want the most is the name and the username. You can get from here. I don't know why it's not coming out, but you can get it by writing git config //global. I think I'm not in the global because of that. I must complete it. User.name. For example, learning star, and then complete. Okay, what I do here, you see the username has been changed by the learning star, but the problem with Git bash is that I install it on the another config. Because of that, it's not showing us the name. Okay, you see here, it's showing us the username. Why we need to define a username for our Git bash? Let me tell you like this. For example, you are working on the website. When you are working on the website, we have many teams: developers team, designers team, and many teams. When you are working on the project by a team, that always like this, you are working on the project by a team, you need to do some changes, and the team also need to know who do the changes. Why? Because they need to contact with the who made the change and see why you do something. Because of that, it's important to know who do the changes. Because of that, we need to use the user.name to define the username. And after that, if the person, let's say the person know who create the changes, okay, but after that, how to contact with the one who do the changes? Because there are many things that they are remote now and something else. Because of that, they need to contact to your Gmail. Let's say, for example, learning@gmail.com. For example, I config this Gmail, but the git config /global user.gmail, and then printing on OK. Now, when we write git config list, you see we have the Gmail and the name. By doing that, whenever someone wants to contact you and see who do the changes, he can by the Gmail contact you, and by the name so who does the changes. Okay, I hope you understand something. We are going to cover more topics in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice time, and don't forget to ask me if you have any question and like